data communication components. So we have to communicate source and destination through some medium. So in the physical layer, first we have to design a physical format or structure of a data transmission. After that, we are establishing the connection to transfer the data from source to the destination. After that, we have to transfer the data through the communication components or the devices. So in that one, so it will exchange the data from source to the destination. It's having a 5 basic components. First one is a sender. Sender means source. So it's an initial point. Sender. Okay. So it's a source devices or a initial devices. It's called it as a sender. Next one is message. Whatever we have to transfer the data, that will be in a call it as a message. It will transfer as a signals or a bitwise information to transfer the data from source to the destinations. Then transmission medium. Its medium may be varied. It may be a cable, wired or wireless, whatever it is. The transmission medium is varied based on our requirements. After that, receiver. After sending a request to the receiver or a destination, it will transfer the response to the sender through the transmission medium. This is the work of a receiver. After that, protocol. Protocol is nothing but a set of rules. That is, it's followed some rules to transfer the data from source to the destinations. After that, it's having the, so it's a sender, through the transmission medium, transfer the data to the receiver through the protocol. Protocol is nothing but a message or a data, or it's a set of rules to transfer the data from source to the destinations. So if you want an effective communication, we have to follow these steps. First, we have to deliver in clear manner from source to the destination the data as of information. After that, accuracy. Based on accuracy or clarity of the data, it will be received to the receiver. So for example, if you are taking some radio frequency signal, means if a signal is not in a strong manner, if it is in a weakness signal, we can't hear the sounds or any information. So the signal must be in a strength. It must be in a full strength of a transmission of a given data. So after that only it will receive. After that we can hear the good information. For example, radio frequency. If the frequency is data is clear manner or accuracy is in clear or in a good percentage, it will be transferred and it will be hear the given information in a good voice. After that, timelines. So in a particular timeline, in particular time limit, the signal strength will be transferred from source to the destination. It may be vary. If it is timeline is exceed, the strength will be the reduced. So that is the data will be dropped. So it's not in a clear manner. So we have to give the timeline of each data. Then low jitter. That is, it will be varying or regulating the data from a source to the destination. We have to concentrate that low frequency to high-fi the particular frequency signal to transfer the data from source to the destination. Okay. So after establishing a physical connection, we have to transfer the data in a good manner. It must be in a good accuracy, then good signal strength. After that only we can receive in a good manner of the data. So these are all the basic data components of the transmitter from source to the destination. Already we have seen that sender. So if you are taking a radio, means it will having the two type of formats, that is sender and receiver. If you are in receiver side, the signal sender means the radio station. So in the radio station, the signal will be transferred to the receiver. That is in your side. Okay. So after that, message. Message means the signal. It will be transfer the data through the signals. We are having aerial. In the olden days, we are having aerial. So we are calling it as we can adjust the signals through that area. That is, the signal strength will be regulated that particular area. Okay. After that, the transmission medium in a wireless, in a air, the frequency strength, we can transfer the data. So it's a transmission medium. Here we are taking it as a air. Okay. For a radio signal, we are connecting the devices through the wireless. Okay. After that, receiver. We are that is in our side we are call it as a receiver in a radio signals. So protocols means through that protocols, that is in wireless is having some protocol. Wireless means that is IEEE 802. These are all the protocols to transfer the data from source to the destination. Okay, here that diagram only I draw. So it's a sender. This is the receiver. It's in a, we can't see this transmission medium. It must be in a wired means we can see, wireless we can't see. Okay. So after through the physical medium we transfer the data. Okay. Finally we get the good strength of a signal and receive the data. Thank you.